set our blender up, transfer everything over, and then we're gonna get our cauliflower stalks set and ready to go. I'm gonna set you down like so. I'm gonna just take this off so that way we don't have to worry about sliding all around. We're just gonna unravel you nicely. So the thing I like about this, you kind of tuck your wires and keep them out the way whenever you're not using it. Whenever you need it, just easily just take it out. So at this point, I'm just gonna remove this from the heat. I like to usually go for my solid ingredients first. That way everything isn't splashing around from putting my liquid in there first. So at this point, we're gonna add our lid on, get ready to blitz it up. So crucial thing to know, when you have something that's this hot, it's gonna make all of that hot pressure, because we know heat rises, shoot up. So either you wanna let it cool down first, or in this case, if it isn't very much kind of inside the actual container, then kind of good to go at this point. Just make a mental note that anything halfway above your container, let it cool down. You don't want to make a mess. I've done it. It's not fun. I'm gonna cover that lid and just tap it a little bit just to get it used to it. And I tapped it so that way I can feel how it is, how much heat's in there, if it was going to explode. I didn't just click it and let it kind of go ahead already. So just keep blending everything up. You have to. So I'm actually gonna go ahead with these tweezers too. The good thing about these big tweezers, they help in cases like this. You can kind of just move your cauliflower around to make sure everything's blitzing nice and evenly. So at this point, I'm just gonna set this aside and we're gonna get cleaned up and get this out of the way.